Welcome back. It's been the stuff of dystopian novels and films for decades. Machines built with increasing sophistication could eventually replace people in the workforce. It's already happening. For one company in Japan, the reality is here. Fukuoka Mutual Life Insurance is laying off 34 employees and replacing them with artificial intelligence from a platform of IBM's Watson. The firm predicts productivity will increase by 30%. Milind Tambe is the co-director of the USC Center for Artificial Intelligence. He joins us now to talk about this. I mean, this is sort of inevitable, I suppose, in many ways, that there's going to be, robots or artificial intelligence taking human jobs. I mean, you see it on, car manufacturing lines and things like that. Is it going to increase?
Well, this is a concern for sure. But, there's always been a concern that when new technology develops, that jobs may be lost. But on balance, technology has created lots of jobs. The kinds of jobs that exist today are very different from the kinds of jobs that existed 300 years ago. 2 to 3 decades ago, we wouldn't have imagined Google and Facebook and Amazon's hiring so many people. So technology has also created lots of jobs, and we would expect AI to also create lots of jobs in the future. We don't know what kinds of jobs they will be,
right,
but they will be new kinds of jobs. But we should also keep in mind that AI is a positive force. It can do a lot of good things.
Well, that's true. I mean, at the same time, you've got the Stephen Hawkings and Elon Musks of the world who say that artificial intelligence, if it isn't controlled, is going to, in Stephen Hawking's words, mean the end of humanity. But you're seeing a lot of positive uses. Tell me about those.
So at our USC Center for Artificial Intelligence in Society, for example, our goal is to do research in AI, to do advances in AI, to assist low-resource communities, to assist homeless people, to work on wildlife conservation.
What sort of things?
So, for example, with wildlife conservation, it's predicting where poachers might strike so that we may be able to remove the traps, the snares that they place before they actually kill animals. Or with the homeless population here in Los Angeles, it is spreading information about HIV. This is work that we are doing with our School of Social Work, a colleague of mine.
And how does AI do that?
So, in harnessing the social network of, for example, the homeless youth, we can figure out who are the right messengers, the right peer leaders in a network in order to spread the message most effectively. And these, in pilot tests, have shown to be significantly more beneficial, significantly more effective than the traditional method that have been used in the process. And so, our view here is that AI can be a big force for good, AI for social good, and that it is our job as researchers to focus energies on aspects of society, on challenges, tasks that have not necessarily of commercial value, they could be, but really benefit society and have not benefited from AI at this point.
Well, hopefully you're right and Stephen Hawking's isn't when he says it could bring the end of humanity if it's not watched. But doing some great work and great research. Milind Tambe, founding co-director of USC Center for AI. Appreciate that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.